we've got two holders for the discs. If you've got a problem with the bearings are located here and here. To replace this bearing, you need to replace this belt first. On the other side, you need to connect the air so that this part comes up. Okay, the second step is undoing these two screws. After undoing both screws, one here and one here, you may actually take them out completely, but we left them. You need to hit this part in the reinforced places and take the disc holder off. Okay. Okay, and now we have all the bearings visible, and you may take them out easily.
Yeah, tu masz sygiera.
Right? And also there is a security ring here, so you need to start with taking it off.
Ściągać taki duży, że łapie je.
And now you need to take it off.
Z pierwszym pierścieniem, nie dalej.
So you need to grab the first bearing, not further, only the first one. Dlaczego?
Bo to jest jako dystans.
Okay.
A to już siedzi ciasno nabite, także wiesz, dwa mogą się kątować.
Okay. So you need to take them off one by one. First this part and then the second part. Okay?
Teraz musisz ciągnąć ściągacze.
Okay, here we have the full set for one of the shafts. Alright? And we will put that set on a shaft here. So this is the machine without bearings. We'll put them back. Now we will start putting the bearing on. This bearing has two parts. They are similar but not the same. The smaller one goes first. So we need to squeeze it into the machine by probably hitting it. Okay, we put it here. Yeah, jak to nabijasz normalnie? And we put it on by hitting. Right? With a special tool. With a special tool like this, so that it comes in steadily. Right? When this one is in the final position, we put on the other parts.
This one
and this one, and it completes the one of the bearings. And then after this bearing is done,
tu musi przesmarować półki, nie?
Of course, this must be greased.
To wyrzuca.
One of the parts must be replaced.
Tak samo dokłada smaru.
Okay, this must be replaced and greased. Both sides of this bearing are taken off. So the machine will not have the sides. Exactly like the bearings in the machine that you have. Okay?
I nabija drugie i zabezpiecza segerem.
And this one is put on, and finally we put this protection here.
Nie, to nie jest ochrona. To jest puszczanie do płochu. Jeżeli robi...
This is like this is called sealer. All right. So finally, it's important. This seal comes with a disc holder on the side where there is an inflation hole, but this is installed inside the disc holder. Okay. Adam will show how it's fitted. So we've got a special tool for fitting this seal. Okay. We coming back to the same position. The bearings are fitted. At that point, we put back the holder. Do 2 screws here and on the other side, but not to the end. We need to leave 1 or 2 turns so that it doesn't touch the shafts.
Wkręca do końca i odkręca jeden obrót.
This is what I'm saying. You just screw to the end and undo it by 1 or 2 turns, and it's good.